Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enter depreciation into QuickBooks. Recording depreciation properly ensures your financial statements accurately reflect the decreasing value of your assets over time, which is essential for both tax purposes and understanding your business' true financial position. First, you'll need to set up a depreciation expense account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen, then select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down menu. This is where all your financial accounts are organized and managed. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, click on New to create a fresh account specifically for tracking depreciation. In the Account Setup window, you'll see an account type drop-down. Click on it and select Other Expense. This categorization is important because depreciation is a non-cash expense that reduces your net income. Next, under Detail Type, choose Depreciation from the available options. This ensures QuickBooks properly categorizes this expense in your reports. Now you'll need to give this account a clear name. Enter something straightforward like depreciation expense in the account name field. This makes it easy to identify when you're recording transactions later. Once you've entered the name, click Save and Close to finalize the account creation. With your depreciation account set up, it's time to actually record the depreciation. Click on the plus New button, which is your Create button, and from the menu that appears, select Journal Entry. This is the proper method for recording depreciation as it affects multiple accounts simultaneously. Set the journal date field to match the date of your depreciation period. This is typically the last day of the month or quarter, depending on how frequently you record depreciation. Accurate dating ensures your financial statements reflect the correct time periods. In the first line of the journal entry, click on the Account column and select your newly created depreciation expense account, such as depreciation expense. Then enter the depreciation amount in the Debits column. This debit increases your expense, reflecting the cost of using the asset during this period. On the second line, select your accumulated depreciation account under the Account column. This is typically an existing account that tracks the total depreciation of your assets over time. Enter the same depreciation amount in the Credits column. This credit increases the accumulated depreciation, which reduces the book value of your assets on the balance sheet. If you want to add context for future reference, type a brief description in the memo field, something like monthly depreciation for equipment. This helps anyone reviewing the entry understand its purpose. Finally, click Save and Close to record the depreciation journal entry. Your depreciation is now properly entered into QuickBooks, and your financial statements will accurately reflect this expense. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.